Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Boys, look here. I wanted to find there are two cuboidal boxes. Which one requires lesser amount of material to make? So one box I'm going to take it is cuboid, and another one I'm going to take is cube. You can speak, no problem. If you have doubt, you can speak. Yes, you sure you can. So here we have one is cube, another one is cuboid. So which one requires lesser amount of material to make? So for doing this one, I will find the total surface area of cuboid and total surface area of a cube. Yes, total surface area of a cuboid. What will be the mathematical expression for total surface of a cuboid? 2 of LB plus BH plus HH. And remember here, this is L, this one is B, breadth, and the other one is the height H. So 2 times 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. So 2 times 2400 plus 40 into 50 will be 2000 plus 50 into 60 will be 3000. When we add these three numbers, 2400 plus 2000, so 5000 plus 24 will be 27400 multiplied with 200841480 centimeters square. Okay. Similarly, you have to find the total surface area of a cube. For this one, what will be the formula? It will be 6 times a square. 6 into 50 square. That will be 6 into.
Sir, what is A, sir?
A is the side. Good question you asked me. Like this, you keep asking question. This is A. This is A. All these will be 2500.
So, like in a cube, all the sides will be same.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
So 25 into 6 will be how much here? 15000 centimeters square. On comparison, so which one is requiring more space? Which one is requiring more space? On comparison, cuboid requires lesser amount. Cuboid requires lesser amount of material.
That one is 50 square and then
15,000 centimeters square, and it's comparing it.
So we're supposed to like multiply 15 2 times, and then we're supposed to multiply with 6 again.
Yes. Lesser cuboid requires lesser amount of material to make. Hope you following this.
Sir, but this is cuboid, this is cuboid, sir.
This is cuboid.
Cuboidal.
How cuboidal? No problem.
Okay.
We can say a cube in a cuboidal.
We can look at the shape and
Cuboid. Okay, this is about the question number 1. Is it clear? You can say clear. Just know you arrived here. Fine. And a very interesting question here. A very interesting question. Here. In this question, a suitcase is there.
Which
Suitcase like this laptop.
okay.
80 centimeter in length, 40 centimeter in breadth, but this 48 centimeter in breadth, but this height is very less. But laptop is 4 centimeter, but that suitcase will be like that printer. How much it will be height? That. So you have to cover that one like a covered. Is it covered? No. What happens if it is not covered? All dust will go and it may not give the correct print. If the print comes as if there is some dust in the printer. So I have to cover this one also. In olden days, people used to have. Nowadays, people are not using suitcases. People nowadays they are using trolley bags. So now what we are doing is we need a suitcase to be covered with the cover. So you need to find what will be the, so will you find total surface area or will you find only cover only 4 faces? Will you cover the suitcase all the 6 faces or
Wait,
4 faces?
can you take the shape as well?
Yes, I'll.
Because I'm getting to push that see the shape. No, sir, the shape in the.
These are not suitcases. You can take
That.
this way. You can take this into consideration. Suitcase. This has to be covered. This has to be covered. So this is your length. This is your breadth will be this one,
Okay.
and this is your height.
Height is very less.
Height will be very less, no?
Yeah, because it's just.
So even though if in the examination, if he gives these 3 things, it means that length is 80 centimeters, breadth is 48 centimeters, and height is 24. So will you cover only 4 faces or will you cover 6 faces? No, 2 into L into B into H, that will be for 4 faces. But you want to cover all the 6 faces. What should be the formula? Total surface area of a suitcase. Again it has come. 2 multiplied with LB plus BH plus HH. This is for 6 faces. For 4 faces, 2H of L plus B. For 4 lateral surface. But we need total surface of 1 suitcase. How many suitcase? 1 suitcase. What will be answer? How much here? 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. 80 into 48. What will be the product of 80 into 48? Any idea?
80 into 48?
Yes, sir. 80 into 48 will be 3,840. Plus what will be the product of 48 into 24? 115. What will be the product of 24 and 80?
1,990.
So we have to add all these 3 numbers. 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920. Hope you are following this.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
6912. So that will be multiplied by 2 times. It will be 13824 centimeters square.
Okay, now what about the.
This one for 1 suitcase. This is for 1 suitcase.
Yes.
But we needed like this. He wanted to do it for a hostel course. For number of some students he is going to give here. So not so how many suitcases?
1382400.
Yes. For 100 such suitcases, it will be 138420 into 00. That will be 138400 centimeters.
Yeah.
But I wanted to convert this into what I do? Centimeter is it?
Yeah.
And now what I'm going to do is I need a cloth. I'm from one cloth I'm purchasing. What I'm going to purchasing? I'm purchasing a cloth, tarpaulin cloth. Which cloth? Because tarpaulin is that one which will absorb water. Like I kept his book on the table because of not covered with the plastic cover. The water it has absorbed water. If it is a tarpaulin, it will not absorb water. So the suitcase will be protected from water. A suitcase will be protected from the light. A suitcase can be protected from the dust. So many things it will do tarpaulin. So if you go to the market, you will get tarpaulin cloth in a roll. It will be. That will be roll in a way. When you open that roll, it will be a length like this. So the width of this is how much here? The width of this one is how much here? The width is here 96 centimeters. And he is asking what should be the length. So it means that I got this. So what I had to do is I wanted to take how much area I wanted? 138400 centimeters square should be the area of the tarpaulin cloth. So he gave me the breadth and gave me the value of L. I had to find the value. So area of tarpaulin. Tarpaulin, what is the use of tarpaulin? It is water absorbing material. It will not not a water absorbing. It will not absorb water.
Wait, so we make our own some.
Don't
This
touch the
is
screen.
okay, wait a second. This is height and that is the breadth and this is the length.
No, no, only plain surface. It is only plain. It is only plain. Length into breadth. So 1382400 is equals to L into 96. Therefore, L is equals to 1382400 by 96. So turpentine will not absorb water. Okay. So that is the specialty of the torpidity. 1382400 should be divided by 96. That answer will be 14400 centimeters. But he is asking us. So therefore L is equals to 144. So when you go to the shop, but don't touch the screen. It's touch screen and it's having some problem also. If you touch the screen, I have to restart the system again.
This is 1440.
1400 centimeters. L is equal to 144 meters.
Is it 44 and 1440?
1400 centimeters. I wanted to. So when you go to the shop, you have to tell me that I don't want this much area. You have to tell I want 144 meters of cloth, tarpaulin cloth, because he will give that. Because this 96 centimeter width is standard. Whether you take green, whether you take blue, whether you take red, whatever the color you take, the width will be same, but the length will change according to our requirement. So we want 1 meter, we'll take 1 meter. We want 100 meters, we'll take 100 meters. We want 144 meters, we will take 140.
How do we know what is the how do we know that we have to use L multiplied by B?
Because that tarpaulin cloth, when you keep on the floor, it will be with shape. It will take with shape.
Right, rectangle.
Rectangle, it will take.
It can also be square.
Square also you can take. Okay, no problem. Area square, side into side.
Okay, sure.
Okay, got it? It's up to you. It is. It may come square also. Sometimes we don't know where it is. I just kept it in rectangle. Rolled it there. Mostly it will be rectangle. They will not be square. Mostly the tarpaulin
But
cloth.
you can use the square formula.
Yes, but when you should side into side, it has to be.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? I will go on to the next one. So now I have searched for the suitcases. No, now my algorithm will come always in this one of the suitcases. Now the next question is a very interesting question, number 3. He is asking me what will the side of the cube? What will be the?
So,
Yes.
what do you have to find in this?
You have to find. He gave the surface area of yes, GeoGebra cube. We have to take.
Is it with cylinder? Is it cube or cylinder?
He gave. Okay, it's forming a cube. It's forming a cube. I wanted to find the area of all the 6 faces he gave me and what this length is, how much he's asking. He's asking me?
TSA.
Yes. What will be the formula for TSA? Yes. TSA of a cube is equal to how much? 6a square. The 6a square value is 600. Then a square will be how much? 600 divided by 6. So a square will be how much? It will be 100. A will be how much? Under root 100. A will be how much here? 10 centimeters.
Sir, how to find?
How to find? Square root of 100, you have to go to prime factorization 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Because then you have to do factorization here 100, 2 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 into 5. Then common. No, twice we will take as 1. 2 into 5. 2 5 the 10. So this way we will find the side of the cube. Okay?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Let's go on to the next question. Next, very interesting question. Ruksar is going to paint the cabinet which is present on the screen. You the special thing is height. Whenever it is given like this, always first one is length, second one is breadth, and third one is height. Don't ask sir what is length in the examination. She wants to paint all but except bottom she don't want to paint because bottom will be down. Who is going to see the bottom? No one will paint the bottom. So she is going to paint all the four faces
Yes.
plus this top.
Four faces.
Four faces and top. Total how many faces? 5 or 6?
6.
6. Okay. Area.
So 4 is a 4.
No, no. If it is cube.
Oh, okay.
When it is a cuboid
rectangle.
It will be a L is
of cuboid
and in between two
plus area of top.
There is this cuboid rectangle.
Cuboid to length and the area of top. What you have to take? Area of top. For LSF cuboid 2h of L plus B plus area of the top is length into breadth. Here length is given to us 1 meter and breadth is here. In this question you have to check here because here according to the figure he gave it different ways. So we have to in the examination if the figure is not given you are at lucky. You can take length and breadth. But here the figure has given to us. So we have to change according to this one. In this question, I should have to take L is equals to 2 meters. As I told that whenever you get like this, you have to take LBH. I told no. But here different. You have to figure is compulsory here. If Mujib sir forgot to give the figure, then it's your choice. Whatever you can write. So L is, in this question, L is equals to 2, B is equals to 1, H is equals to 1.5. So 2 into.
Wait, sir. Did you say that length is 1?
But he told, but according to the figure it is different, no?
Okay.
So
In the figure you can
multiply these two multiplications.
yes.
2 multiplied by 2. Okay, so
L is 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1. So this will be 3 into 3 plus 2. This will be 9 plus 2. 11 meters square is the area she painted. Meter square compulsory you have to write the unit. If forgot to write a unit, I am extremely sorry.